Hey friends, I am Broccoli. Welcome to KidDraws Fun. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw and color an Amazon semi-truck. Spanish is tartamudo, so let's get started from this. You know, this. There we go. Right now, I make a circle. So I'm going to put the circle. Oh, it looks the same. This one. Let's put another one in there. So right now, I'm going to make this truck. This. No, make like this. This. Okay. I'll make it like this. Like this. Right now, I'm going to draw a window here. If you want to add it, a window if you want to. Say a little window there. If I can. Now I'm going to add a goes the roof of the truck. Wow, it's really cool. Make it big. And the truck is really big. Here you can fit. So our semi-truck is missing big wheels and small wheels. So we're gonna make like this. Make this. One, two. Okay, right now I make the arrow. Right now I spell. Okay, Amazon. To color our trucks, I use light blue right now. Ooh, I forgot something. Right now, I'm going to make lights. Truck, and I'm going to color light blue. Right now, the truck is blue. We are now almost there. Pump. Right now, I'm going to use dark blue for lights. This window and black window here. Kind of different. is really cool. Now, alright, Amazon. For the truck is different. The truck is this one. Now use gray for the wheels. Use more gray here. And now black. Oh, I'm sorry, I made this backwards. Okay, friends, we are done. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.